Create empty file using Python. I'd like to create a file with path x using Python. I've been using os.system.y where y equals touch%s%x. I've looked for a non-directory version of os.meter, but I haven't been able to find anything. Is there a tool like this to create a file without opening it, or using system or popen/subprocess?
There is no way to create a file without opening it. There is os.node_newfile.txt, but it requires root privileges on os. The system call to create a file is actually open with the o_create flag. So no matter how, you'll always open the file. So the easiest way to simply create a file without truncating it in case it exists is this. Actually, you could omit the .close since the recounting GC of Python will close it immediately after the open statement finished, but it's cleaner to do it explicitly, and relying on Python specific behavior is not good either. In case you want touches behavior, i.e. update them time in case the file exists. You could extend this to also create any directories in the path that do not exist.
Of course, there is a way to create files without opening. It's as easy as calling os.node_newfile.txt. The only drawback is that this call requires root privileges on os.